Ask is true in battle conversation. You know that you only increase the bonding in the stomach cellula. How delicious to understand the physics subject. I overflow with weather forecast. Turn out to be study of matter and energy. Narinig ba? Mechanics is our main topic. Believers to thinking, necessary to accepting. Just when you become so serious, the formulas become confusing. Oh my God! It is physics time again. This is it. Time to learn. Slow motion, acceleration, interaction, with friction. It is physics time again. Three. They told me everything relates to physics. Go. Example problem really hurts. 3 times of friction to static and kinetic friction, and the last is rolling friction. Impulse and momentum. Somehow I cannot think. It's because our next subject is differential calculus, yeah. But then I am still confused. No joking. I am OP with physics. You know that I find this out of sight to the things that I am telling you. But then again, I hope that you will understand. Godfather of my son.